Justice for all, Greater Hyderabad in charge. I want to ask one thing. Today discussion, Telangana, what is the role of judiciary? So, 1 year of Sri Krishna Committee founded time, total Telangana people, students, intellectuals, politicians, everybody waits for Sri Krishna Committee report. In our India, in village, our every culture, everybody go and ask to decision maker in our village, big person, intellectual person, in our India, worldwide. So 1 year, government have created new Sri Krishna Committee. So everybody, politician and local leaders, they are asking Telangana whether Telangana required or not required. You people are intellectual, you have a 50 years experience in judiciary. Go and found the rights of Telangana people. Take the 1 year time and funds. You can found the one solution. We will give the Telangana. At the same time, Telangana Sri Krishna Committee, whoever worked in, they are manipulated by the central government. Clearly, they researched the Telangana issue. They founded the issues. They wrote the total book. After closing the Sri Krishna Committee, whichever point Sonia Gandhi guided, that points totally changed under judicial language. That is the very clear clarity. So 6 points you can give. There is a no problem issue. TRS will happy, Congress will happy, TDP will happy, intellectual will happy, professors will happy, students will happy. 6 problems give will long taking the time for the Congress. So sir, we will believe the judiciary in our constituency. So please, the same role of judiciary in our Andhra Pradesh, you people create the awareness in the public. So why Telangana not coming separate state? So you have a great rights, you have the system, rules and regulations. We don't know. You study the legal procedures for the 4-5 years, the judicial experience, so you can create awareness. So total in our AP and India manipulating by the government judiciary. When judiciary will change, Telangana will be formed. Judiciary will change. After 6 months, they will close for another committee, the another judiciary. So judiciary is a blackmailer. So politician is a regular thing. The politician's thing is, I want to become an MLA, I want to become MP. For that, I will use the public. So clear white paper is judiciary. Judiciary must be changed. So after this only, after Telangana also, whenever judiciary will work as a white paper, white color person, that day everybody will develop. If person goes to the court, sir, I got this problem. If you can work for the as per law, Indian Constitution by written by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, every act is very clear for the every person of India, human rights, every rights. So please, sir, the same thing. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. When